Unraveling the Phrase Fell into a Trap, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, fell into a trap. This phrase is often used in both casual and formal settings, so understanding its meaning and usage can be incredibly beneficial for your English language journey. Let's dive in and uncover its nuances. Fell into a trap is an idiom that means someone has been tricked or deceived into a situation that is difficult or unpleasant. It's used metaphorically to describe scenarios where a person finds themselves in a predicament because they were misled or didn't see the danger in advance. This section will explore its literal and figurative meanings with examples. This section delves into the historical origins of the phrase. Originally related to hunting and warfare tactics, it has evolved in the English language to describe various scenarios, ranging from social interactions to business dealings. Understanding its roots can provide a deeper appreciation of its usage in modern English. Here, we'll look at how the phrase is used in everyday conversation, literature, and media. We'll analyze real-life examples to see how it's employed in different contexts. This practical approach helps learners grasp the phrase's versatility and adaptability. To expand your vocabulary, this section introduces similar phrases and synonyms like caught in a trap, walked into a trap, or trapped. Understanding these variations enriches your ability to express similar ideas in diverse ways. English learners often find idioms challenging due to their figurative nature. This section provides tips to avoid common mistakes when using fell into a trap, ensuring you can use the phrase correctly and confidently in your conversations and writings. I hope this video has shed light on the phrase, fell into a trap, and enriched your understanding of English idioms. Remember, language learning is a journey filled with discovery and growth. Keep exploring, and you'll find yourself mastering the art of English communication in no time. Until next time, happy learning!